Modulators are a very important part of synthesizers. So far you have seen me play with oscillators and move certain parameters using my mouse or some other control, but what we need for an effective synthesizer, and what is actually an integral part of a synth, is that time component of change for parameters. This is where modulators come in. Now, it's logical that we don't want every sound to just be static, like this. So a sound that has no change through time. Of course, we would want something to evolve, to modulate. So this is why we have modulators. Two most basic ones are the envelope and LFOs. And we will get into depth about both of those and what they can do and how we use them. For now, just to get acquainted with those, we can use these to manipulate parameters. So modulators actually move our parameters that we choose. And in Serum, and I'm using Serum because it's, let's say, visually the easiest one to follow up, I can make each one of these modulators move any of the parameters. So let's say this LFO, I can click and drag to make it move this cutoff point. And then I can choose by clicking and dragging this little blue knob right there where I want it to move. So once I play a note, it will be moving in this shape through time. So this is also a low frequency oscillator. And don't worry about it now, we'll get into these in depth. I just wanted to demonstrate for you what that sounds like. So modulators are something that's going to make the sound more complex, more interesting, and they are the ones that actually give us a plethora of options to make our sounds variable in time.